When I started Urban Ashes in 2009, the idea was to bring together a wide range of elements that have become important to me over the last 25 years in the design and fabrication world. There's people who work with recycled materials, there's people who use non-toxic finishes, there's people that hire ex-felons. Now take them all and put them together.
That was one of the things that made Urban Ashes attractive to me. Saving lives, one person at a time, will be the same thing as saving trees, one bark at a time, one piece of wood at a time, one piece of blight at a time. You know, removing all of that, and now we have something great.
You fall in love with it. You fall in love with the character that's in the wood, and you're taking something that was going to get discarded, and you're making like these awesome frames or these awesome tables or some kind of furniture.
Paul and Rob, they could tell, oh, it's from this address, it was this house, it's pretty cool. It like makes it more personal. You'll never see another one like it.
It's not the only thing being reclaimed here, it's also our lives that are being reclaimed. We're people that have been down through the trenches and haven't always done the right thing in life, and we're trying to now restructure our lives to do the right thing and end up in the right direction.
In the past couple of years, we started working with the marginalized youth in our area, and now our ex-felons get to work with them. These guys have made some of the mistakes, and they see these kids as mirrors of themselves when they were teenagers and say, I can help these kids. I can keep them from doing what I did.
I was around the wrong crowd, you know. Then I started working here. I started seeing the positive things in life, like it's things to live for. I think more about the future instead of just living day by day.
A lot of people have a tendency of leave them over there, you know, while we stay over here. We care about them, but we care about them from a distance.
What I wanted to do was create this dynamic between the ex-felons that were working here and community members that hadn't come from that world. Now they start to respect each other and see each other as equals, and a lot of the stigma and prejudices start to fall away.
If you never told me that we hired ex-felons, I would never know. There's nothing different about them. It's just they made a mistake when they were younger and they had to pay the consequences for it. And I don't see them as anything else other than my coworkers and now my friends.
Urban Ashes is not just another custom design and fabrication company. We're a company with a story. A story built to make a positive impact on your commercial and residential environments and society as a whole.